Okay, we're going to add the roof in now, and basically, as it says here on probably page 13, just go to the architecture tab, the usual spot where you did the roof, and add the fascia and that sort of thing. I'll do that right now. And it says to, after you put the fascia in, to lower it by about 30 so that it's below the, basically the roof covering. So roof covering will continue through here. In reality, it will continue through here and fall into the gutter. So we need to make sure the fascia is dropped lower. All right, so let's go to here and put the fascia on. Architecture, fascia. First, the trick to this is to put the barge board on, which is looking at Enzo. We put the barge board on first. Don't go around, which is what I in fact did the first time I did it. I went around and put the fascia all around the whole thing, just like you did, yeah. And the problem with that is that we can't extend the fascia. If we did that, we can't. Control key. Okay, we can't do this. Once we can't actually. We can't extend this 200 mil past. All right, so. We need to do that fascia first, extend it out, then put the other 3 fascias on after. All right, to the program it's still a fascia, even though it's called a barge board in reality, the terminology. So let's go with, have we got the fascia in? Fascia, there. All right, so it's just a matter of going in here and just clicking on that top edge there, and as we're doing that, it's putting it in. Now, what is it putting in? It's putting in a standard fascia that it's got loaded in here. You could load other different sizes as well. All right, so once we put that in, we just finish that command, and by pressing that or going MD is a shortcut as well. So if I click on here, the way I'm going to do this is click on that, then I'm just going to drag this over a bit. All right, what happens then, this number is presented to us. We're going to go 200. Instantly you're going to want to type 200, I think, but I think if we type in 200.
Is that 200 plumb or 200?
No, I don't know. Well, it's plumb. Well, from this surface here, it's 200. Yeah, but you got to put as you work, right? No, that's right. So you go to it's 200 from there to there, so it should be same to the bottom, I suppose. So yeah, so put in minus 200 to achieve 200. So I don't know why. Oops. Okay, so that's done. It works in mysterious ways, so don't try and understand it. Well, if I knew I would explain it, but maybe I don't know to explain it, but it works this way. Okay, so it's got some logic to it somewhere. Okay, minus 200. There you go. That stays there. Good. All right, now
if you went 200,
it goes in. Yeah, it goes backwards. Yeah. Which I did the first one. I did that. Yeah, it is good. It is logical, at least. It's consistently bad. Oops, who said that?
it doesn't matter how it works,
as long as you know how to get around it, eh? It's full of workarounds, really. Okay, so let's go with another fascia here. Now we're going to click on here, and now we just keep going around. If I zoom in, and I've got this perspective on. Alright, so zoom in, swap around so you can see what's going on. See how it's just monitoring that? Yeah, so come around here, zoom into there, and click on that top edge. There, it's done. Finish that off, MD. Alright, so I think it's telling us next to pick this up. This is one entity now. Alright, and drop it. If we look at this thing here, you're dropping that vertical profile offset. We've got one of those vertical profile. It must be it. So we put in minus 30. Okay. So put in minus 30. If only my number lock was on. Let's try it again. Minus 30. What's going on? Okay, I won't use the number lock. I'll just use these numbers up here. Minus 30. Here you go. Okay. How hard is that? All right, so here we go. That's what we've done. All right. So in section, theory, come on, you can do this. Section. This is what we got. Why is this so colourful? It's boring. There you go. All right. So that will just continue through eventually. All right. Now let's put this. Let's close that off. Let's put this gutter on. Let's go to gutter there. All right. Again, this is a standard gutter profile. Gutter one. All right. So let's just put that in. Pick the top edge. Be careful what you pick here. Sometimes you can end up with a gutter inside the roof. Sometimes you're going to end up with two because you put it in, it goes inside, you think I can't see it, so you try again and put it on the outside. So you end up with one inside and one outside the roof. So no, it's okay. All right, so pick this edge on the left here, or the front edge. It goes over there. So don't start with this one here. It's probably preferable to start from one end and work your way around. Let's go zoom right in, pick up that edge. Okay, so, and basically that's it. Last one there, done deal. Okay, so we've got gutters. Beautiful. Hey? Downpipes?
Stop in.
Oh, stop end. We have got a stop end. What are you talking about? Why do you think I went through all this trouble to bring this across here? It goes on. It goes onto the timber and just you just keep painting it. That's getting a bit picky. And we'll do that in detailing. All right. So that's basically it there, and that's our gutter now. There you go. So we're all happy now. All right. So that's the gutter put in. I don't think there's much more to this. That's it. Sorry? No, the fascia already dropped earlier on before, so it's all good now. We'll look at dimensions next week. All right, so let's right-click this one here.